Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I'm Rika Wafik Tanisa. In this video, I want to presentation about consecutive and simultaneous interpreting. Okay, the first one is introduction. This chapter examines both simultaneous and consecutive interpreting, particularly as they relate to American Sign Language English interpreters, and argues for the increased use of consecutive interpreting. Here, the writer explores the role of consecutive interpreting in the education of American Sign Language English interpreters in North America, highlights some of the perception and myths held by interpreters and by consumers of interpreting service, and discuss the impact of choosing simultaneous or consecutive interpreting on the accuracy of the work. Okay, next, consecutive and simultaneous interpreting. Simultaneous interpretation is defined as the process of interpreting into the target language at the same time as the source language is being delivered. Consecutive interpretation is defined as the process of interpreting after the speaker or signer has completed one more or more ideas in the source language and post how the interpreter transmit that information. Next. The role of consecutive interpreting in the education of interpreters. By investigating the program of study offered by interpreter education sites, it can be seen that approaches to teaching the cognitive models in interpreting in the curricula vary greatly. Subsequently, only after consecutive interpreting has been mastered do students begin to move toward simultaneous work. By contrast, other programs choose to teach cognitive models and consecutive interpreting through an inversional approach, providing theory but little time for acquiring the foundational skills necessary for consecutive interpreting. Next, myths and perceptions. It is not only some interpreter education programs that dismiss the importance of consecutive interpreting. There are interpreters and consumers who also hold a number of myths and misperceptions that discount the effectiveness of consecutive interpretation. For example, one of that she is less skilled than interpreter who use simultaneous interpretation. Beliefs and perceptions held about consecutive interpreting have also shaped the pace of the profession's testing procedures. In that very few employment screening tools, quality assurance mechanisms, or national certification exams allow for the use of consecutive interpreting in contexts that may in fact land the mess up in the process. Disbelief, myths, and misperception that have in many ways shaped the field are slowly being challenged toward professional dialogue among practitioners and educators. Through research findings that support the need for consecutive interpreting, and by interpreter education programs that include consecutive interpreting skill as a skill, not just as skill set that support simultaneous interpreting. Next, models of interpreting and their role in consecutive interpreting. Pokalar 2004 provides us with the excellent overview of the theoretical and methodological paradigms that have shaped interpretation research and interpreting models. In his text Introduction Interpreting Studies, he reminds us that no single model can illustrate interpretation as a whole. Given the numerous model and orientation of study that are prevalent in the field of interpreting, what are the benefits of using model in interpreter education program, and how do these models inform consecutive interpreting skills? The value of some of these models of the field of American Sign Language English interpreting is that they offer guidance and understanding the nature of a communicator structure, the message, and how interpreters try to capture. Okay, next. Consecutive and simultaneous interpreting in legal context. It is indefinite that the interpretation was more grammatically correct, use more of the natural feature of American Sign Language, and exhibit fewer false starts and less repetition in the message. They also observed that they felt more relaxed when the interpretation was present consecutively, allowing them to participate more fully in the trial. The interpreters in this study who were most successful in using the consecutive interpreting process knew how to send or change message effectively. Okay, next. Deciding factor in the use of the consecutive interpreting. Most interpreter educators report that they use consecutive interpreting in their own work as interpreters only use the following variable in making the discussion to do so. Complexity and density of information, setting, consumer non-conventional use of sign language, consumer is a child, consequences of interpreting error are grave. When working with a deep interpreter, one educator added in additional factors when she did not know the participation well and the newness of the situation or information was challenging for her. This speaks to the role of contextual variables and their impact on the interpretation. Implication for our field. There are several opportunities that emerge for the profession from recent research on consecutive interpreting. Educators and students have opportunities to explore methods of integrating research into the classroom, bringing new awareness of the role of cognitive models interpreting and consecutive interpreting as part of the critical skill set that interpreters require throughout their careers. As the field changes, we have opportunities to examine our curriculum and the language we use to describe consecutive interpreting to students, practitioners, and consumers. Okay, and the last, it is clear from the literature that there are advantages to teaching consecutive interpreting as a density skill set that will be needed throughout the career of a sign language interpreter. In this days critical that students receive solid training in the use of consecutive strategies and learn to apply them effectively as they work. By exploring when and where consecutive interpreting might be used most effectively, we will be exploring ways to better shape those who rely in our personal service. Okay, thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.